Okay guys, let me see this over here. What is an how to make an easiest way format I have added over here. In that we can easily calculate an amount taxable value, how much you have to pay to the portal, and how much input I have. You can check it easy in monthly, and you can easy way to update GSTR9 and 9C. Easy. How long is going to be easy? You have to check it. Okay. In the sheet I have added over here there are 6 different sheets. In that particular sheets you can easily identify how much taxable value, then how much tax value for a whole year. In that you can check it as an easiest way. Most of the people ask me, I have put before video, it's not more voice. Right now I post a view video, it will be increasing some voices of my things. Right now I have added additional sheets also, just as GST Abstract, Adjustment, Not Claim ITC, GSTR9 and C. Sometimes I imported goods, amendment or not class submitter bills, uneligible ITC. That all you can identify, and it will more helpful for your GSTR9 and 9C purpose. And if you're going to file income tax, you can easily identify how much you can pay just payable and how much you have to pay back and how much the input was open in a GST portal. Then also you can check whether you have any amount from the cash ledger or you have gotten people nowadays if people are getting refund amount also. You can calculate the refund amount also with the help of this portal. You can adjust it and within easy, very easiest way. I think so. The few persons I give them a post on YouTube. I think so. That's flavor or not. This thing is favorite to you all. Okay, let's go into one by one sheets, and then I told you the how going the sheet will be works. I will tell you later in the next time video. Okay. Right now I'm just going to explain a few sheets. Just its first thing is GST abstracts. It's nothing but an GST abstracts. Here you have to enter the value of the purchase tax and then the taxable value, and here you can enter the sales tax and taxable value. Then in this particular content you have to enter it before, if the year is 2021 and this is 2022, before that you have to enter the value is March 2021 input credit ledger. You have to enter it over here. For example, if the amount is 4,500 and here is 4,500, then you can enter it. That it will automatically it will be shown back to all those month. If you pay any tax amount for this particular month, it will automatically less it over there. You cannot you don't want to less the amount manually. First thing, okay. And then the second sheet I had over here is it's opening balance of ITC credit ledger and this cash ledger. In this ledger you can manually, you can also, if you needed, you can change it manually also. If you don't need it will be automatic, you cannot do anything. And I used the option over there, clear option. It will come back to the normal position. It will not automatically adjust the value. With the help of this you can file in GST portal also. It's very easiest manner. Okay. And second thing, last thing is not claim ITC. If few persons are we are filing for income tax, we need to know how much bill we didn't take a claim in that current year. We just take the claim in next year. So that particular purpose I have added purchase taxable purchase return and the sales return value over here. In this particular form you can add very easiest way. How is possible, sir? Sir, if you enter the value, sales value and purchase name over here, it will automatically shows you. Then you can easily identify how much bill you didn't even take it in the current, you just take it in next year. Same, there is one more thing I have added over here. Previous year, for example, in 2020 and 2022. That right period is 2021 to 22, and previous year is 2021. In that year, if you not claimed any bill, that bill you just going to claim in the current year, that bill amount you can enter it over here. For example, in the previous year of 2021, I didn't even claim the amount of IGST is 400 rupees, 450 rupees. That you can enter this year. Why, sir? It will helpful for your 9 and 9C. And here is a few steps I added for 9C. If any, right now the portal is giving you a better opportunity. If any debit note, that you have to mention it in others. In that particular time, the purchase return will be appears over here. If purchase return, if you enter the value to over here, it will automatically reflect you. And also reverse charges. You have to just some companies they're paying the freight charges also. Freight charges is nothing but then transport charges. The transport also you can enter it over here. It will be give the reflection in GSTR9 and 9C. Okay, and let me move on to that fourth form is nothing but GSTR9 and 9C. Okay, how many of you know that we are going to give the animals of formulas and we have to calculate it? No, just move on to the easiest way you have. First thing is sales. The same sales value and non-taxable value is appears over here. The next, it's purchase. It's ITC. Like this way, only the portal also is going to be reflect you. Then this is a form of my calculation. If this total amount is tallied, it will be command action and yes over here. If this yes is appears, then you kind of this way can appears over here. The next set is you have to enter here any imported bills or amendment invoices or not ineligible ITC, because this ITC we're never going to claim anything, right? That ITC you can mention it over here. The next GST details. With the help of these details, you can file an income tax as it is without any changes of this. This is nothing but a tally versus 3B. Most of the people are using of tally and 3B. It's nothing but you can checking the GST portal and your software. Most of the people are using a tally, but some people are never using a tally. They're using Excel sheet. If you enter the total taxable value over here and the total tax value over here, it will be automatically calculate that value. Then this is very legally important sheet. It's nothing but clear all sheets. If you click and click, again you click the details, the sheet will be back to the normal position. That's why 8 sheets I added over here. In the next video, I just going to explain you how the sheet is going to be processed next to the next. Okay? Okay? Be ready, guys. Let me tell you how is going to be the sheet happens. Next video, I will post you. Thank you. Right now, thank you. Bye. By the help of this, you can file it GSTR9 and 9C easily, and you can check the income tax GST value easily. Easy. Everything is going to be the easiest way you think. Thank you.
Done. Correct. Dum dum. Done. Correct. Dum dum. Done. Correct. Dum dum. Done. Correct. Done. Dangy. Dum.